I'm a bit sad today. I'm the man in black and I'm mourning because the CF Moto 650 NK is going back. Yes, Motorbike Rider is finished with the bike. We've had it for about 6 months and I've loved it. The things that put a grin on my face were the engine. The engine is very flexible, you can rev it out. It's only on 41 kilowatts, but it really goes quite well and you can, you know, be clunky with the gears and it's very, very forgiving. The brakes, not really grippy, but they've got good feel, braided lines, fantastic. And I like the look of it, the style. It's really great. And a few people have actually said, is that a Ducati? Probably because of the trellis frame. The gripes are very, very small. The suspension's a little bit choppy. You could put another shock on the back, might make a lot of difference. There's a bit of vibration in the mirrors and the tacho occasionally is sort of flicked. Very, very minor problems. The thing is, this bike is only $7,290 right away. Now, if that's still a bit too steep for you, there's one that's got slightly different brakes, a little bit different styling in the headlights and the tacho, and it's only $5,990. That's called the 650 NKS. Now, the thing is, after 6 months, I haven't had a problem. It's been very, very reliable, passed its first service with flying colours, and I've really, really enjoyed the vibe and the feel of this bike. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. It'd be a great second bike for more mature riders who want something to commute to work or the occasional scrap up a canyon. Great for novices because of the forgiving, flexible engine. And I just think it's so well put together and such good value. I highly recommend a bike like this. Novices, mature riders, go and get one.